Hi guys, I am Shazad and welcome in lecture number 7. Today's we are going to define the buttons. How can you use the buttons? What are the colors available in the buttons? What are the classes we are going to use or we are going to define while creating the buttons in Bootstrap 4. Make sure this is the Bootstrap 4 series. If you are not familiar with the HTML, CSS and also the basics JavaScript, please learn the basics of the HTML, CSS, and also the JavaScript before learning the Bootstrap fourth version. Because Bootstrap 3, 4, HTML, CSS, and also the JavaScript are the required or the prerequisite for this course. So let's get started. So I'm saying that as you can see, we have embedded the bootstrap.css file, also the bootstrap.js files here, and also we have embedded the jQuery upside of the bootstrap. So as you can see, we have defined the jQuery first, then bootstrap. Yes, if you are going to define first bootstrap.js file, then your jQuery, it will give you the error. I hope. So as you can see, it's saying bootstrap JavaScript required jQuery jQuery must be included before bootstrap JavaScript. That's why. Okay, now I'm going to use the bootstrap under the jQuery section. Fine. Now I'm going to define the buttons. So now, so this is the buttons. I'm saying my button. Go to the page, refresh the page. So this is a simple button available in your HTML. Okay. You can also customize your buttons by adding the classes, by defining the custom uh, properties and also the values in the CSS. I'm saying I'm going to use the ready-made classes. Like I'm saying this is the button. I'm saying primary, button primary. It will give you a this one. So as you can see, this is the button. Okay, Bootstrap provide you the colors of your button out of the box. Like if you need the red color, you can just use the danger. It will give you the then red background. If you use the green, then you have to use the success. It will give you the green background. If you use the yellow, then you have to define that warning. It will give you the yellow background. Okay. You can also use the light, light and also the dark. So this is the light for the and dark. Dark means black background, light means white background. You can also use the success, danger, warning, info. Okay, these are the classes available while working on the buttons. Okay, now if you need some other type of buttons, like this is the button, I'm going to create another button. So these are the two buttons. I'm saying I'm using another type of buttons available in Bootstrap. I'm saying button, then outline, primary. So as you can see, it's showing you the button without background. In the hover, as you can see, it's showing you the background. Without hover, it's showing you the nice effect. Okay. So by using only this class, it's showing you the button like this. Similarly, you also have the primary, secondary, and also the danger, info, success, light, dark classes. So you can use these kind of classes like info, danger, dark, or like light, and also for success to show you the green button. Okay, for the sizing of a button, you just need to use the button LG. LG. That means large button. It will give you the large button as compared to uh, primary button. So this is the by default button size. You can also use the small. That means small button. So now as you can see, this is the by default button, and this is the small button. Okay, now if I'm going to use, just ignore this one if you are not familiar with the container. Just use the, if you are not familiar with the container rows, please ignore this one. So this is the container. I'm going to define the container rows or the grid systems in our later lecture. Okay, I'm saying row, and now here I'm saying call MD. Sorry, it's not font, it's a call MD. I'm saying 12. I'm going to define these buttons under this section. If you are not familiar with this code, please ignore this one. Just consider that these are the only divs. Now go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's fine. If you need the 100% width button, then how can you use them? I'm saying that primary button LG. Now I'm saying button block. It will give you the 100% button. So now as you can see, this is the 100%. Since we are using the 12 column, if I use the 6 column, then as you can see, it's showing you the, wait for a few seconds, it's showing you this one. If you use the 2 columns, it will show you this. I'm saying, so by default, fine. It's up to your column. I don't know why it's not. Wait for a few seconds. I'm saying style, border, 1 pixel, solid red. Fine. If I'm saying it's 4th column, okay, fine. Now let's pivot, inspect element. Uh, Everything is working fine. I'm saying call. Let's suppose three. Sorry. So okay, fine. It's working now. Yeah. So this is the column 5. It's up to you that. So now, as you can see, column 5. If you use the column 8, we'll discuss about the grid system in a later lecture. If you use the column 9, so your button automatically adjustable. If you use the active class, like I'm saying active. So now as you can see, your button is now active. You can use the active to active your button. I'm saying disabled to disable your button. Now as you can see, your button is disabled. You can also use the button groups. We will discuss about the button groups in our later lectures. But for now, you can use the button. So this class, you can use the button block to use the 100% width of your button like this one. You can use the simple button like this. We have discussed my button, button, primary. You can also use the button for this one. So these are the button. These are the, as you can see, outline buttons, and these are the 100% width button. You can use the primary, danger, secondary for this one, and also this one. It's up to you. So I hope you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the video. On that, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss the update. If you think we have missed something, so please mention or leave a comment in the below. So we'll further discuss about your concern, questions, or any complaints. So thank you for watching.